Not too long ago we made this frame here. It's a diamond shaped frame with an art piece in it, and a lot of people ask, how do I get this knife edge? How do I get this corner here, or even these corners, because we're usually just cutting on 45s. Our regular saw has 2 blades in it. These blades only come down on a 45-degree angle. So what we do is we use a different saw. We have our chop saw for that. This is a Hitachi dual compound saw. It pivots this way. It also goes both directions. We mostly use it for 45s or more complicated angles. On this side, it goes all the way to about 60 degrees. Say more like a 59. And then the other way it goes to 45. So how do we get that knife edge? There's a little trick. What we do is we modify our saw to get that degree, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First thing we do is we just take a 2x4, just a piece of scrap 2x4 here. Most saws have these holes in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach this 2x4 to the saw so it doesn't move. We're just going to screw it in through the back. Just using a drill and drywall screws, we're going to go in the back here and we're going to screw this in. It's better to add 2 screws. That way it's held in there pretty good. So now this is secure to the saw. Next, what we want to do is we want to cut 2 45s. I'm going to take this to the 45 right here. I'm going to be in your way a little bit. I'm going to cut it. And we take it to the other side. And we cut the other 45. So what this created is, instead of the fence being here, now my fence is here. So what it's going to allow me is going to be allowing me to cut beyond that 45-degree angle. Next, you want to get a digital readout like this. This measures out my angles. I got this on Amazon for about $25, and the angle that I'm trying to get to today is about 30 degrees. So I'm going to get it to 30 degrees, lock it in place at 30 degrees. Once I get that to 30 degrees, I'm going to put it inside here. And what I want to do is I want to get that, I mean, you can use the laser is one way to do it, and get it set at that angle. So what I like to do is once I get it in place, I like to swipe it, move it, and get it to exactly the degree that I'm trying to get to. So now it's good. It's exactly at 30 degrees, and I'm going to lock it in place. All right, next we want to cut this knife edge here. I'm going to put it in all the way here. And you see how we have that steep, nice angle there. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So what we have to do is actually take the same degree that we have. We're going to unlock this, and we're going to turn it to the other side. Go. Now we're going to cut this other side to the same degree. And just like that, we get our knife edge. That's perfect.